All right, it has started to record. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. Thumbs up if you can see my screen. Awesome. All right, today we're working on lesson 6. We're using the commutative property to make 10. All right, we are going to skip a couple of the activities for the sake of time, and we're only going to do a couple of the activities for the fluency for the sake of time. All right, remember yesterday we were making number bonds, all right, and we were using our fingers. We're going to use our fingers again today. All right, so 8 is, one part is 2. What's going to be the other part? Show me with your fingers. So 8 is 2 and what? Show me with your fingers. Good. It is 2 and 6. All right. 2 and 6. 7 is 2 and what? Show me. 2 and show me with your fingers. Colin, show me with your fingers. 2 and what? Good. 5. Good job. All right. 10. 10 is 2 and what? Show me with your fingers. 2 and what? Good. Good job. 2 and 8. All right. 5 is what? 2 and what? Good. 2 and 3. All right. 4 is 2 and what? Good. 2 and 2. All right. So we are going to decompose this just like we have been doing. So I want you to write 9 plus on your board. All right. So we need to make a group of 10. So make a number bond with 3, with 1 being your part. Kind of like what you were doing yesterday for your problem set. All right. So your number bond would have been what? 1 and, show me with your fingers, what's the other part? 3 is what? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. All right. Now circle that 9 and that 1. Circle the 9 and the 1, because 9 plus 1 makes what? Show me with your fingers. 9 plus 1 makes what?
I don't have a whiteboard.
Do it on the chat like we've been doing. All right, so 9 plus 1 is, right, 10. What is left over? Show me with your fingers. What number is left over? Right, so now 10 plus 2 is, write it on your whiteboards. What is 2? Good. Good, Charlotte. All right, so good. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. All right, so down at the bottom, they did their number bond, 1 and 2. All right, so now let's do 9 plus 5. So put 9 plus 5 on your board. All All right, let's break apart the 1 being a part and figure out. So for 5, it'd be 1 and what? Show me with your fingers.
What did you say?
The 5. If we're breaking apart, it's 1 and what? Good, it's 1 and 4. Okay, circle the 9 plus 1. With your fingers, show me what is 9 plus 1. 10, that's right, 10. So 10 plus, what's the other number that's left over? Show me with your fingers. 4. So now on your whiteboards, tell me what's 10 plus 4? Awesome. Looks like you guys are really starting to understand this. Good job. Good, Charlotte. Good, Sophia. Good. So they broke theirs up. 9 and 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. All right, we're going to do one more. So put 9 plus 7. Now you're going to break apart the 7, and it's going to be 1 and what? Show me with your fingers. All right, good. 1 and 6. So now circle the 9 and the 1. 9 plus 1 equals what? Show me with your fingers, what does 9 plus 1 equal? Equals 10. So then 10 plus, what's the number that's left over? Show me the number that's left over. Is 6. So on your whiteboards, tell me what is 10 plus 6. Awesome, Sophia. All right, good job, guys. Good. All right. So you see they broke it apart. All right, so now let's look at this one. Everyone write 8 plus 4. We've been working so much with 9s. Let's look at 8s. Now we're going to break apart that 2. No, I'm sorry, break apart the 4. Now, 8 plus what equals 10? Show me with your fingers. 8 plus equals 10. It's not going to be 1 anymore. It's going to be what? 2. Because 8 plus 2 is 10. So now we're breaking apart the number with 2. So 4 is 2 and what? Right. 4 is 2 and 2. So now circle the 8 and the 2. Because 8 plus 2 . Now 10 plus, what's the other number that's left? What was the other part? Show me with your fingers. 2. So 10 plus 2 is what? Write it on your whiteboard. Good, Charlotte. Yes, Isaac?
Can I go into the
Yes. All right, good. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, let's do another one. Well, let's do another one with the 8s. So write 8 plus 7. Okay. Let's break apart the 7. We know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. I'm going to say 2 and what? So 2 and what make up 7? Show me with your hands. 2 and what make up 7? 5. Good. So you'll put underneath 2 and 5. Circle the 8 and the 2 because you know 8 plus 2 is 10. Good job, Caitlin. All right. So then 10 plus, what's the other number that's left over? What was the other part? 5, right. So now on your whiteboards, tell me what's 10 plus 5? Good. 10 plus 5 is 15. All right. Good job. All right. So now we can move on. So there were 6 children on the swings and 9 children playing tag. How many children are playing on the playground? So go ahead. Let's try not to do a picture today. Let's do just a number sentence. So write the number sentence for that. There were 6 children on the swing and 9 children playing tag. So what's going to be the sentence for that?
How many children did you say playing on the playground?
There were 6 children on the swings and 9 playing tag. So what's that number sentence? Write it on your board. What is that number sentence? All right, 6. Now, we're going to break apart that 6. All right. 9 plus what equals 10? Show me with your finger. 9 plus what equals 10? 1. So 1 is going to be your part. So 6 is 1 and what? Good job, Charlotte. All right, 1 and 5, that's right. So go ahead and circle the 9 and the 1. Because you know that makes 10. Then 10 plus, what was the other part? 5. So 10 plus 5 equals what?
What did you say again?
10 plus 5 equals what? All right, so 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, So there were 15 students playing on the playground. All right. So we have been doing these and you guys have been doing them and you know how to do them, 9 plus 5. All right, so we're going to skip this part and go straight to the problem set. So today in your problem set, you're doing the same thing we have been doing by making bonds, okay, and breaking apart the smallest number, figuring out how many it's going to take to make 10 with the bigger number, and then circling it and adding 10 plus the other part. So that's what you're going to do for your problem set today. All right, here you're just matching the equal equations. All right, and then here you're going to complete the number sentences and make them true. All right, so that is all we have for math today. Does anyone have any questions?